What's up, you guys? My name is Angela, and today I have for you guys a how to be a better person in 2018 video. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So for my first thing, this actually ties into what I am currently doing, is putting more effort into things. Don't think you're gonna fail before you've even allowed yourself the chance to succeed. The second thing I have for you guys is to maybe invest in some self-help books or motivational quote books. This piece of advice came from one of my best friends that graduated a year before me. She reads a motivational quote every single day, and she is one of the happiest people on this planet. The third thing I have for you guys is to stay clean. And I know that is extremely hard for a teenager. Trust me, my room can look like a tornado went through here sometimes. But a clean space equals a clean mind. The fourth thing I have for you guys is to maybe invest in a planner. Now, I've bought a planner for school every single year because YouTubers recommend it. It wasn't until this year that I actually started using it because my senior year has been extremely busy. Between scholarships, I did a musical, I have cheerleading, and having the planner allowed me to see what days I was free and how to manage my time and what classes I needed to prioritize and what tests I had coming up. And a planner is just a really great thing to help you get organized and to help make 2018 a little less stressful. The fifth thing I have for you guys is to be more active. And this is something that I personally struggle with a lot. I spend a lot of time on social media in YouTube and Netflix and doing all sorts of things that I really shouldn't be doing when I should be getting out and enjoying the world. This just means maybe going on a walk with friends, going on a walk with your dog or maybe your cat. Maybe you have a ferret you want to walk. Take it for a walk. Just get out, take more steps, enjoy nature, maybe go to the gym, lift some weights, and work on being a healthier you inside and out. The sixth thing I have for you guys, spend less time on your phone. This sometimes puts me back, and I don't necessarily get the time to spend that I should get with my family and my friends. Kind of disconnecting from the rest of the world for a little bit will give you the chance to connect with those around you, the people that are there in your life right now. The seventh thing that I have for you guys is to be original. So this year, my challenge for you guys is to stand up. To be yourself, be original, and speak up, because that's the only way this world is going to change. The eighth thing I have for you guys today is to love yourself. Love yourself and love others around you. Loving yourself takes a lot of time, and it's definitely something that I haven't even come close to accomplishing yet. It's okay to be a little selfish sometimes, because you have to love yourself in order to love someone else. The ninth thing that I have for you guys today is to create a playlist. A playlist that you can listen to when you're happy, when you're sad, when you're feeling like you need a little inspiration or motivation. Here are some of my top songs. The first one would be Échame la Culpa by Demi Lovato and Luis Fonsi. The second song is by a man named Rayvon Owen, and it's called Can't Fight It. The third song is Never Be the Same by Camila Cabello. The fourth song is Sorry Not Sorry by Demi Lovato. And the fifth song is Tell Me You Love Me by Demi Lovato. The sixth song is Volume by Rayvon Owen. And the last song is Champagne Clouds by Malia Savette. My 10th and final thing to become a better person this year is to treat yourself. Whether that be with hair care, going to the spa, using a facial mask, taking a bath. Take some time to rejuvenate and realize who you are and who you want to be, because you have the power to change the world, and it all starts with you. I hope you guys have a happy new year, and if you guys have any suggestions for videos, please leave them in the comment section below. Please don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. I don't really know where that's at yet, but I'll figure it out. And hit that notification bell if you want to see the next time I post a video. I will be posting videos every Wednesday, and I have a whole giant list of creative videos coming up for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. See you guys next time. Bye!